I have to say Sapphire are probably one of the most innovative companies that we work with. They're all up for continuous improvement. They're always up for looking at things doing a different way. Our journey here has been excellent. In 2021, we delivered our largest scheme together. It was like £170 million worth of work, all delivered on time and to budget. But the best thing for me is the evolution of what's occurred. And this is it right here in front of us. It was the job that we have under construction at the moment now is it's about a £230 million scheme. There's 820 units. We've delivered about 2,000 units here to date. But the stuff that we have under construction at the moment is the most efficient, low embodied carbon, sustainable residential that we've ever delivered. And a lot of it's down to this. It's pretty revolutionary what the guys have done. We teamed up in 2020. We wanted to learn from our last job and to evolve, and the guys have fitted hand in glove in with Quintain, our mutual client, TechCrete, Noel, the design team, and everybody that's worked on this. This has been the accumulation of maybe 3 to 4 years work. We have 750 of these in production at the moment, and we'll be hanging them on the building in about a month's time. So really proud to be associated with this, and really proud of our partnership with Sapphire. It's a genuine partnership.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. Now, can you specifically talk about the yellow car park project?
I can. We've done an embodied carbon review of the last job that we've done. We learned so much on the back of that. We learned the ecosystem of where we buy everything, how we do everything, and that drove our thinking and how we developed this. So the last job, we had 2,500 panels. We had all these balconies that we slid onto the building. I thought it was pretty revolutionary at the time. We had a remote control podger. There were aluminium balconies. To me, the past of balconies was like mild steel, hot dipped. They were welded, they weren't very sharp, they kind of distort and stuff. And the stuff we done in EO5 was so sharp, I didn't think we could take it to a whole new level. So we got Sapphire together, we got the whole team, the technical team. We said, how do we stop penetrating the facade, and what can we do to make this better? We developed this together, the teams.
That's amazing. So specifically in the yellow car park, it is the clip-on balcony. So can you explain how the clip-on balcony is benefiting that project?
The difference is it's the most efficient facade that we've ever done, because there's no penetrations of how we transfer the load from the balcony into the structure. The balcony is actually clipped onto a prefabbed facade. It transfers the load into the facade, down into the columns and into the ground in the most efficient way that we've ever designed anything. So we've less people on site, less waste. These are they're really architecturally really nice balconies, but they're really lightweight. They've got low embodied carbon, and you could actually, when these get to the end of the life cycle of the job, they could be taken off the building in the same way they're putting on without interfering with the structure. They don't penetrate the cavities, so we've got no fire issues, and we've got no thermal bridging. So this is the future for me of high density, high rise residential construction.